Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini noodles. First, select firm, medium-sized zucchinis, ideally about 8 to 10 inches long. Next, gather your tools. You can use a spiralizer for classic strands, a julienne peeler for thinner strips, or even a standard vegetable peeler for wider ribbons. Always wash and trim both ends of your zucchini before you begin the noodle making process. This ensures a clean start for delicious results. Once your zucchini is prepped, it's time to make the noodles. If using a spiralizer, secure the zucchini and turn the handle to create long, consistent strands. For a julienne peeler, simply run it down the length of the zucchini to produce thinner, flat strips. A regular vegetable peeler will give you wider, ribbon-like noodles. Each tool offers a unique texture for your culinary creations. After making your noodles, proper preparation is key to avoid a watery dish. First, gently pat the zucchini noodles dry with paper towels to remove surface moisture. Then, lightly salt the noodles and let them sit for about 10 minutes. This draws out even more water. Finally, gently squeeze out any released liquid before cooking. This crucial step ensures your noodles maintain a pleasant, firm texture. Cooking zucchini noodles is quick and easy. They only need to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes to become tender crisp. You can sauté them in a pan with a little olive oil or steam them lightly. Avoid overcooking, as they can become mushy. Serve your freshly cooked zucchini noodles immediately with your favorite warm or cold sauce. Enjoy this healthy and versatile alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.